Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to revolutionize the way semiconductors and nanotechnology are developed, manufactured, and utilized. Thanks to AI algorithms that can identify patterns, predict behavior, and make decisions based on large amounts of data, the process of semiconductor development and manufacturing becomes more efficient and effective. Moreover, AI can optimize the performance of semiconductors and nano devices, leading to faster and more accurate results. The same can be said for the field of nanotechnology, where AI can design and simulate new materials and devices, providing faster and more accurate development of new technologies. The technological revolution that we are currently witnessing, brought about by AI, quantum computing, and the Internet of Things, is made possible by the foundation of semiconductors. Semiconductors provide the backbone of modern computing and are essential in enabling the development of AI, quantum computing, and the Internet of Things. From self-driving cars to advanced medical treatments, AI is transforming our world and making our lives more convenient. But it is the processing power provided by semiconductors that make AI possible. In conclusion, the next time you use your smartphone or turn on a smart home device, take a moment to appreciate the role that semiconductors play in making all of this possible. The technological revolution we are experiencing is built upon the foundation of semiconductors, and it is thanks to their processing power that we are able to unlock the full potential of AI and nanotechnology. As these technologies continue to grow and develop, we can expect even more advancements in the future, all built upon the foundation of semiconductors. This post is sponsored by Move Technologies, the largest global marketplace for used and refurbished semiconductor equipment.